Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be playing something that I be a bit surprising considering the last FNL list. Y'all can see it. True Dracos in pre diagram at one ban list. True Dracos. The, why? Why do I keep seeing this one? Um, so the reasoning behind it is I'll give judgment. Screw it. Two judges in my opening and isn't gonna be bad. Anywho, the logic behind this deck, the way I'm playing it is that I play Mystic Mine to kind of like shut down monster effects. Since I only play one monster per turn, I play 5 monsters in the main deck total, so it's not like I'm gonna have a lot of monsters. What the fuck? What Venoms? Are you kidding me? Um, okay. You do realize that you're not gonna get off, what's her name? There's just no way. I will search. Yes. That deck didn't, bro. This deck is even too slow, even for two Dracos to survive. Aw, that's not nice. Um, he's gonna make my two Draco too small. Well, I mean, it is what it is, huh? Diagram. Uh, I'll pop this. Add. I use shove against this turn, so I can't draw. Shit. Him, I guess, to my hand. Wait, why didn't trigger the effect? No, I did not. No. It's cool, he's a one of, so it's still searchable. Wait, you can respond to it? Nice. I'll activate it, screw it. You're gonna make the thing almost. I know that this isn't really a great test of this deck's power. Venoms aren't that great. Even against true Dracos, they're garbage. They are a garbage deck. I'm playing true Dracos with Diagram at 1, but they still have potential to be okay. But you definitely have to play Mystic Mine now at 3 copies of it. Oh man, I should have added Manifest because I could activate Mystic Mine from the deck. Or you could also activate Diagram from the deck, which is pretty good. This deck needs a little bit of work, but Shoot. Okay. So yeah, I would actually definitely play Manifest, especially since I'm playing Diagram. Since Diagram's at 1, it's like playing an extra copy of it. Um, that kind of sucks. I guess I get this. I open up with quite a bit of monsters, oddly enough. Um, I really didn't draw into a lot of floodgates, unfortunately. Uh, Yeah, Mystic Mind is like so good in this deck. So fucking good. That card is crazy. Oh, that wasn't nice. Jerk. Fucking kaiju me. Wow. Kaiju and Galaxy Cyclone. This guy is bad. Kaiju's okay, but I mean, Crusadans? Oof. Shit. Yeah, I just kind of lost. I couldn't do anything. Kaiju me. Wow. Yeah, I just lost the Kaijus. I like. It's like so. Essentially, he's a 2,200 point vanilla. Uh, so there wasn't anything I really was going to be able to do against that. So you see, I opened with this guy a lot, a whole lot. Rituals, what? Cyber Angels. What the actual fudge? Wait, what? Okay, yep. Oh yeah, he does. He used to say from the fusion deck, they changed the wording on it to work with synchros and any new mechanics. Jeez. Hell to perfection. Too bad I don't play two Dracos. I mean, too bad I don't play Kaijus. I can get rid of this. So I have to assume he has three negates in the end. I know he has at least two. I know what I could do. Set this. Believe it or not, I'm going to use this to tribute them to him. Herald of Perfection cannot negate the effects of. Actually, I should have tributed off the Monarch Erupt because I already had two of them. Because I had two of them, I could have kept one and had them to order negate spell cards, but that's okay. So, why didn't it let me chain? Shit. I might have just lost the hell of a fucking section. Fuck this shit. I would have won if I went first, but I didn't go first. So, anywho, let's sit this deck profile here. One Dynamite Knight, that's the true Draco Fighter. Three Ignist, the true Draco Warrior. One Dioreth, the Plinkatop. This might become meta first, but I do love this card in this deck. It's a really powerful card in this deck. One Diagonic Diagram, three Mystic Mind, one set rotation, one terraforming, three true heritage, two true disciples of the true Draco Phoenix, three part of duality, three part of extravagance, because I don't actually draw much anymore. I decided that I would cut the part of the Mides into the Void engine out. Uh, Not engine, but you know what I mean. I would cut those out for extravagance because other than heritage, I don't really draw often enough to, you know, uh, it's not like something's gonna come up where I need to draw, you know. No, gone are the days of turbo to Dracos. Now it's more of a slow roll game kind of thing. Um, True King's Return, True Draco's Apocalypse, three of those. One of these, obviously, three Solemn Judgments. That's something else that could be taken out is the Solemn Judgment, but I don't know. One Macrocosmo, that actually would be a great one as well to be cut out. Maybe side deck Macro, because it's only good against certain matchups. Skill Drain, two Monarch Erupts, so basically three skill drains in the deck. Duh. One Impenetrable Order, two anti-spell fragrance, that's another card. Cut this down to one. for the manifest would be pretty good, I guess. 2, there can only be 1, ironically, and then double summon limit. So yeah, I would cut it this out for the manifest. Because this card is so good. It's basically an extra copy of Diagram, and it's an extra copy of Mystic Mind. So essentially, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 copies of Mystic Mind, and then you play 3 copies of Diagram, 4 copies of Diagram, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you still can see Diagram quite often, which is why this deck still works. So anyway, 3 Nightmare Phoenix, 3 Nightmare Cerberus, 3 Nightmare Unicorn, 1 IP Masculina, 1 Apollosa, 1 Warlord, 1 War Sword, 1 Salutis Goldred, and then 1 Topological Bomber Dragon. The extra deck really doesn't matter much. You're using it mainly just to for the part of extravagance, which is why I play 2 of each Nightmare. Because if I'm going to play copies of anything, it's going to be the card that I would least want to banish. Technically, you can make nightmares in this deck. This requires 2 monsters with different names, so it's not hard to do. Special summon Fire Rise to a pink top, tribute summon for 2 Draco, link off into a nightmare. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo signing out. Bye.